Chris Potter, good evening. June 4th, 2017, sharing an article from OutlookIndia.com. A cold, close brown dwarf discovered near sun. Washington, D.C., USA, June 3rd. A brown dwarf, which is a little bit more than 100 light years away from the sun, has been discovered by the astronomers with the help of a new citizen science tool that was released earlier this year to pinpoint new worlds lurking in the outer reaches of our solar system. Details were recently published in the Astrophysical Journal Letters, just 6 days after the launch of the Backyard Worlds Planet 9 website in February. 4 different users alerted the science team to the curious object, whose presence has since been confirmed via an infrared telescope. I am so proud of our volunteers. As I saw the data on the new cold world coming in, said Jackie Faherty, a senior scientist in the American Museum of Natural History's Department of Astrophysics, and one of Backyard World's researchers. It was a feel-good moment for science. The Backyard Worlds project lets anyone with a computer and an internet connection flip through images taken by NASA's Wide Field Infrared Survey Explorer WISE spacecraft. If an object is close enough to Earth, it will appear to jump when multiple images taken off of the same spot in the sky a few years apart are compared. A goal for Backyard Worlds volunteers, of which there are more than 37,000, is to flag the moving objects they see in these digital flip books for further investigation by the science team. So far, volunteers have classified more than 4 million flip books. Days after the Backyard Worlds website debuted on February 15th, Bob Fletcher, a science teacher in Tasmania, identified a very faint object moving across the WISE images. This is not the same Bob Fletcher with the Nibiru notoriety. It was soon also flagged by 3 other citizen scientists from Russia, Serbia, and the United States after some initial investigation by the research team, which originally called the object Bob's Dwarf. Faherty was awarded time on NASA's Infrared Telescope facility in Hawaii, where she confirmed that it was a previously unknown brown dwarf just a few hundred degrees warmer than Jupiter. The authors said that the sky surveys had missed this object because it's too faint. All 4 volunteers are co-authors on the scientific paper announcing the discovery. Brown dwarfs, sometimes called failed stars, are spread throughout the Milky Way. They lack enough mass to sustain nuclear fusion, but they are hot enough to glow in the infrared range of the light spectrum. Brown dwarfs are strikingly similar to Jupiter, so we study their atmospheres in order to look at what weather on other worlds might look like, said Jonathan Gagne, a Backyard Worlds team member from the Carnegie Institute for Science. Although the Backyard Worlds research team hopes to find the infamous Planet 9 hiding in our own solar system, these brown dwarfs are also exciting discoveries. It's possible that there is a cold world closer than we believe to be the closest star to the sun. Faherty said, given enough time, I think our volunteers are going to help to complete the map of our solar neighborhood. Very interesting article on so many levels. Thanks for watching and subscribing, my boos. I will put the glorious link below. Have a wonderful day. Normal, fresh, and happy, boo.